Good morning, everybody. This is Jerry Garrettson, Tabby at Law. Just want to shift gears a little bit today. We've been talking about the history of U.S. immigration, and today I want to just touch on all the agencies that immigration is has to do with, and that they that they have connection with. So let's start with this here, and then we'll move forward. And to every beast of the earth, and to every fowl of the air, and to everything that creepeth upon the earth, wherein there is life, I have given every green herb for meat, and it was so. So a lot of different agencies that immigration law touches. And I'll just go through the list, and I'll be brief today, and we'll move on. It just goes to show you how all-encompassing immigration law and how widespread it is, and all the agency that it's involved with. So let's start with the biggies. Okay, so it'd be the U.S. Department of Homeland Security, of course, DHS. That's, of course, that's the agency that's newer. So we used to have the Immigration and Naturalization Service, INS, right? And that was abolished. And what happened was the DHS came in and took that over after 9/11. So anyways, let's move on. Then you have the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, the USCIS. That's immigration law flows through that. You see a lot of interaction there. U.S. Customs and Border Protection. Obviously, we're dealing with the border. It's the CBRP. The U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement, ICE. And then under ICE, you got a bunch of little agencies. Enforcement and removal operations, the Homeland Security and investigations, the student exchange visitor program. And then you have the U.S. Department of Justice. Then you have the Executive Office for Immigration Review, Immigration and Employee Rights Section, that IER. The Office of Immigration Litigation, the U.S. Department of State. Of course, you're dealing with foreign countries. We have embassies and consulates all over the world, right? Generally in every country, at least one. And therefore, you got the Department of State involved because we're dealing with foreign countries. U.S., let me see here. So under that, you got the Bureau of Consumer Affairs. And then we have the U.S. consulates overseas, the National Visa Center. And under that, you have the Immigrant Visa Control and Reporting Division, the Kentucky Consular Center, the Visa Office, and you have the Bureau of Education and Cultural Affairs, ECA. Then you have the U.S. Department of Labor. So you're dealing with business visas and folks coming from, or local companies, United States companies hiring foreign workers. So you got the Department of Labor involved with your business visas, your non-immigration visas. Employment and Training Administration, the ETA. Office of Foreign Labor Certification. Wage and Hour Division, Board and Alien Labor Certification Appeals, Administrative Review Board, U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. Again, we have folks coming into this country that that could bring disease and other issues. And thus, you have our country looking to protect our citizenry to make sure we, especially during the pandemic, right? make sure that folks aren't coming over the border with COVID-19 or other diseases. So they're involved there. Office of Refuge Resettlement, U.S. Social Security Administration. As foreigners become citizens, they get their Social Security, right, and their number, and so this agency is involved. Internal Revenue Service, as well. This goes to even the workers, right? The temporary workers or the business visas, people coming in and working here. So you got the IRS involved there, people making money here. Is that taxable? Is it not taxable? I'm guessing they have to pay some kind of tax. Then you have folks that get their green card, they start paying taxes. You get folks that become citizens, they're definitely paying their taxes then, right? And then you have the U.S. Department of Defense. Again, people coming into the country that are criminals, terrorists. So you got the Department of Defense that's involved there. Then you got the U.S. Department of Veteran Affairs. And here's something that you may not know, and it's kind of a foreign idea to a lot of people, that there are non-citizens, foreign actors in our military, in our active military. And actually, it's a path to the green card, legal permanent resident, and or the citizenship to serve in our military as a non-citizen, as a foreign party. And if you honorably serve, and it's a way to become an American. So that's interesting. So that's why you have the U.S. Department of Veteran Affairs. These non-citizens become veterans, and they have a path to citizenship, to get the green card. All right, so that's it for today. Thank you so much. We'll see you guys next time.